Hello dear students. Today we are learning about 100 plus animals name with their pictures. So, let's start the video. Lion, leopards, tiger, jaguar, cheetah, hyena, puma, fox, wolf, maned wolf, black panther, snow leopard, armadillo, aardvark, panda, rhinoceros, ape, hamster, beaver, coati, boar, capybara, deer, reindeer, springbok, ibex, fennec fox, coyote, oryx, lychee, echidnas, hedgehog, otter, giant otter, Komodo dragon, koala, honey badger, giant anteater, kangaroo, hippopotamus, great bilby, loris, klipspring, lemur, mandrill, lynx, marmot, skunk, marten, mongoose, okapi, nombat, muskox, pangolin, opossum, serval, raccoon, raccoon dog, Patagonian mara, dog, porcupine, wombat, red panda, red river hog, sloth, warthog, tapir, sifaka, Tasmanian devil, vicuna, bear, polar bear, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, lizard, Basilisk lizard, bat, flying fox, elephant, giraffe, gorilla, dinosaur, monkey, chimpanzee, chameleon, iguana, hare, rabbit, crocodile, water dragon, mouse, rat, toad, frog, walrus, pig, mole, leech, eagle, Spider. Wild dog. Zebra. Centipede. Millipede. Scorpion. Skink. Snail. Snake. I. Nile monitor.